companies do? And I think that's a pertinent question because Make in India is a very big theme. You can look at it in many big ways and in many different scales. You can look at it from 10,000 feet, you can look at it from 10 feet in terms of perspective. So I heard the word Mittelstand a few times. I think my company CNS Electric would fit into the definition of what you would call in Germany a Mittelstand company. About 200 million euros, about 1,200 crore rupees in revenues and family owned and managed. With about 30% of business outside of India, including manufacturing not only in India but in Belgium and in China. So, as a company of this size, I can only share with you what's been my experience and our company's experience. We've been at Hannover Fair for the last 15 years, and that's how we became one of the largest exporters of low voltage switchgear from India. And even in the last session, we heard a lot of things about India and China. One of the things that we have been successful in doing is getting a 15 to 20% price premium over the Chinese in our own space. And I think that's been something that's been possible because of a variety of reasons. One is that it's been our focus on quality, on adding that edge in terms of understanding the customer's requirement a little better, and being able to go to a very high-end customers and understand and meet their needs. So if our products are in GE locomotives or in the wind turbines, it's because we could communicate with them at that level and understand their needs. And even if we didn't know how to do something, we could give them confidence that we can get there. Make in India, is a wonderful initiative, and it's obviously largely aimed at attracting investment into India from outside, which is why you talk about Make in India. But I think an equally important and parallel initiative and a complementary initiative is the Made in India initiative, because the Made in India has to be very strong. In our company, we adopted that as a part of our vision statement, that in a small way or in a big way, but definitely in some way, we will play a role in making Made in India something that is more trusted, more respected around the world. So I think that's very critical, and I would encourage the government to think in terms of creating a mass movement even in that aspect. And I think Mr. Modi does.